Hey, it's Eric with PDRC, and I know it's been a minute since I've posted a video. Things are finally starting to stabilize a little bit more. What I've been working on in the background, besides actual work, is I got a 3D printer. I don't know anything about doing CAD work, but there's a free site out here called Tinkercad that I've been using, and I designed this in Tinkercad. And what this is it's actually a 24 flex bridge. So just something that I threw together so I could showcase off the suspension. This is actually my 24 that I got from my buddy Josh. I had to add the googly eyes, of course, because it's funny as hell to watch when you're crawling with it. But he did an amazing job on the build, and I really wanted to showcase it. So my first print was actually this flex bridge here. So this is my first attempt at 3D printing. Now, I do have other projects in the works right now. I did not design this, another person did, but I'm working on a Unimog. So that's coming in the future as well. But still alive and kicking, starting to get back into the world. So 3D Bridge is showing, works out pretty well. I'm actually going to make the file available for free for download. I'll have eventually I'm going to have a link in the comment section. I'll also have it up on my website as well. And then I might print out a couple, have them for sale in the shop, but I'm just going to make the files available for free. So that's what I've got going on here. That's what's on the bench right now. More updates to follow. Thanks for watching. Bye.